Imagine waking up in a world where cars don't exist. No traffic jams, no honking, just the sound of birds and people walking. How different would life be? Without cars, streets would belong to people. Imagine sidewalks expanding, roads turning into gardens, and cities becoming more walkable. With no cars, air pollution would drop drastically. Carbon emissions from vehicles are one of the biggest contributors to climate change, but how would we get around? Public transport, cycling, and futuristic solutions like hyperloops or electric pods could replace cars. Cities might adapt easily, but what about the countryside? Would farmers rely on horses again, or would drones and electric trucks replace cars? The car industry is a trillion-dollar business. What happens when millions of jobs related to manufacturing, fuel, and repair disappear? Without cars, the 1.3 million annual road accident deaths would plummet. Streets would be safer for everyone. Are we ready for a world without cars? Some cities like Amsterdam and Venice already thrive without them. Could the whole world do the same? Would you be ready to live in a world without cars? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.